If life gives you lemon, you make lemonades. This is the season for mangoes and pineapples. So I made this tropical juice and smoothie from mango, pineapple, and coconut milk. Welcome and welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Greyglamma. Stick around, let me show you how I made this delicious and healthy smoothie. Let me remind you to please comment on the video, like the video, share the video, and subscribe if you have not. Thank you so much. As we all know, mangoes are rich in fiber, antioxidants. They are also rich in vitamin C. They are good for the eye and skin health. Pineapple, on the other hand, are rich in calcium. They are rich in vitamins A and C and folic acid. And then the coconut milk that I added, you can add cow milk if you have it, if you like. But coconut milk promotes weight loss and has lots of health benefits. So in order to prepare this smoothie, the first thing I did was to wash thoroughly the fruits, the pineapple and the mangoes. I washed them, I cut them, and I diced them. When the fruits are washed, cut, and diced, it is now time to blend them together. So I am adding the fruits into the blender. I will now go ahead and add a cup of coconut milk, fresh coconut milk. Then I will blend everything together. It looks so delicious. After blending them together, it's now time to serve it. You can add ice cubes to serve it. I didn't add ice cubes because I was having a little catarrh, so I did not add ice cubes. Then I just added straws to the cup and enjoy the smoothie. Now I'm going to show you how you can make this smoothie, turn it into popsicles for your little one, or if you have a birthday party of your child, you can make this popsicle for the children. They will so love it. Pour the smoothie into a cup, a popsicle cup, and add the stick to it. Freeze it, and it is ready. It is ready. If you want to spice it up, you can add a little rum to the smoothie and enjoy it as an adult. You can see how the smoothie comes out as a popsicle. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel if you have not, comment on the video and share it. I hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.